even when you're taking it chill, you're still going like 90, which is pretty crazy to think. It's the most roller coaster race I've ever rode. This is a World Cup racetrack right here, for sure. Like,
people don't want to break with the foot, so they don't waste their sauce. And we just arrived.
The event is super nice. The gondolas are awesome. Riding up in those is super amazing, surreal, and it's super fun to watch everyone going down while you're riding up. And then the track is insanely fast. The most fast slides I've ever done into a corner in my entire life, and I love it. All the marshals are killing it. Super safe. I feel super safe. On top of everything, always communicating, and no problems. The event is a solid 10, and everyone needs to come, for sure. Like, if you don't come next year and it happens, like, you're missing out on a very special thing. Come here and you will enjoy yourself a lot and probably be much better at skateboarding afterwards.
This is really something serious, this hill. It's not for everybody, it's not for beginner, it's not for people that can skate a bit, that's for people that know what they're doing. So when you're going over your limit, you get the bill. That's it.
So we're out here at Vulcan,
IDF race in Transylvania, Romania. The track here is one of the craziest that we have in the world. We're reaching speeds closer to 120 kilometers an hour in the first section. Coming into Pablo's corner. This year, Pablo's corner has been extremely challenging. There's a lot of thane on the road, making the road very slippy. A lot of people have been crashing there, myself included. So it's a very technical track here. After negotiating the slippy first corner, there's a series of hairpin turns, and then again, down into the bottom straight was a very, very fast chicane. A lot of people are having a lot of problems, but you know, we're trying to figure it out, get there, stay safe, go fast, and see what we can do out here.
Normally the gondolas are open around 10. You do your first run, just bomb for 3 hours until the break, because the gondola guys want to eat too. And then after that from 3 to 5 again, so you're free to go up and down. There is no restriction about buses or something. You just fucking jump in the gondola, then run as fast as you want. Yesterday people were doing 12 runs without crashes. When you crash them, maybe 10 runs, I don't know. Look at this fucking thing. Yeah guys, I recommend you to bring wheels. It's important to bring a lot of wheels and packs and braking soles, because the hill is fucking eating everything. I'm gonna show you why. Look at this. Look at this thing. Filming. Go, go, go!
There's few courses in the world that the riders have to think twice because of how technical, how fast, how extreme the road is. On this road, people really have to think twice and practice so much more and have a better feeling of what they can do themselves. Most roads you're looking for getting the most speed out of it, but here you're trying to get just a little bit more out of the road, just to be able to reach your potential on what's in front of you.
Everyone's been slowing down there a bunch, and it's really crazy because every run it might be a little bit different. Like the pavement gets hotter and it gets colder. When it's hotter, you have to slow down earlier because your wheels heat up more and don't slow you down as fast. It's just unreal. Everyone's like struggles to slow down super fast in the straight. There's been a lot of crashes in the first hairpin, and yeah, we're doing head-to-head racing today, which is super cool.